Hello everyone, my name is Parth Kumar Singh and I am an alumnus of IIT Jodhpur. Today we are going to discuss a very important question which was asked in IIT 2023, and this question was regarding chiral compounds. So this was the first time when IIT asked about this, so I thought this question to be very much important and to be discussed. So in this question we have to select the chiral molecule among these four, right? So we have been given these four compounds, first, second, third and fourth, and we have to select which of these is chiral. So what is the condition for a compound to be chiral? So we have an atom. If it is chiral, it must have four different groups, right? So if a molecule is chiral, similarly it should have a basic condition that any one carbon or maybe multiple should have four different groups, right? Now look at this one. So if we clearly look at this, right, one amine group, one hydrogen group are clearly different, but are these two, the left one, the left part of the ring and the right part of the ring, different or same? So basically these are same, because you cannot differentiate these two on the basis of CIP rule. So because when you apply CIP rule on these two, basically you will end up at the same carbon from both the sides at the same time. So these are undifferentiable. So basically this is an achiral compound, not chiral. Now the second one is very pretty basic. H, NH2, Me and this vinyl group, or different, all four different groups attached to this particular carbon makes this molecule chiral. So this is chiral basically, right? Now third one, look at this carbon attached to methyl, vinyl and again to the ring. But similar to this one, these two parts of the ring, the left and the right, are also undifferentiable on the basis of CIP, right? And if we look, so basically this is also not chiral. And if we look at the last one, the fourth one, at this carbon we have an hydroxyl group, a hydrogen group, right? And again this ring, but here the left and the right are completely differentiable. You can differentiate just by looking at it, because you know at the very first carbon you have two hydrogens, but you have here an additional methyl group which gives a priority to this one. So you can differentiate this basis on the CIP rule. So these are differentiable since this is also chiral, right? Now ultimately out of these four we have second and fourth as the chiral compounds. So basically if you want such similar videos, you can always comment down, and thanks for watching this video.